Saharan Dust Storm Run 2020. We're doing a 3-mile run on the middle of the Saharan Dust Storm here in Anguilla. We're starting down by Smokies. This is a deserted restaurant that got damaged in Irma. We run Cove Bay down to Mundanes Bay, and let me know what it's like near you in the comments.
June 23rd, 2020. Still dealing with this Saharan dust storm. We're on Cove Bay now. Show you what Cap Jaluka looks like when we get up there. Coming into Cap Jaluka, give you a little sense of what it's like to run this beach in this dust storm. Let's go, buddy. Come on, let's go. Extremely quiet, certainly a little eerie, but the water still crystal clear.
Kind of looks more like a normal beach now.
So it's going to be Cap Jaluka, June 23rd. We're right in the middle of the Saharan dust storm. It's not really hard to breathe or anything like that at all. It's just really gloomy. It looks like it's pouring rain or about to pour rain. Hopefully only a few more days of this. Sun. Into the smog, with the dust. Woo! Favorite beach, Cove Bay. No one's ever here. And here we are during this Saharan dust storm. Super weird. We got Cuisinart ahead of us. Finish up our run at the old Smokies. Coming through. Almost there. Three. Way back there. So that's our normal run. We do that, we try to do 2 days a week. And then what's the best part? Just walk right in.